हेलो बच्चों, लेट अस रीड द क्वेश्चन. डज द कैपेसिटेंस C of the capacitor increases, decreases or remains the same when the charge Q on it is doubled? So in this question we need to answer whether the capacitance of the capacitor increases, decreases or remains same if we change charge on the capacitor from Q to 2Q. So the key concept involved in this problem is the capacitance. Before we could answer this question, let us first define the capacitance in terms of electrical parameters. Electrical parameters. In terms of electrical parameters, capacitance is the charge per unit voltage stored between the plates of the capacitor. And now let us define the capacitance in terms of geometrical parameters. Geometrical parameters. For this, we will take the example of parallel plate capacitor. So let us take, this is the plate 1 of the capacitor and this is the plate 2 of the capacitor. The distance between these two plates is D, and a dielectric material of dielectric constant K is kept between these two plates whose thickness is T, and the area of the plate is A. A charge Q is given to this capacitor, so plus Q charge will appear on this on one plate and minus Q charge will appear on other plate. So we can simply write that the surface charge density equal to Q upon A, and the thickness of material of dielectric constant K equal to T, and the thickness of air equal to D minus T. Now let us write the electric field. As we know, the electric field due to the conductor outside it is always sigma upon epsilon. So here we can write that the electric field in air between plates E naught equal to sigma upon epsilon, where the sigma is equal to Q upon epsilon upon A, and the electric field in dielectric material between plates is E equal to sigma upon K epsilon naught, which can be written as Q upon K epsilon naught into A. Now let us write the potential difference between these two plates. If we want to know the potential difference, we can simply multiply electric field by the distance between these 2 points, and the electric field is uniform. So here also we can simply calculate the potential difference between these two plates equal to E naught into distance, which is equal to D minus T, plus E, which is the electric field between electric field in the dielectric material, into the thickness T. So its value comes out to be Q upon epsilon A D minus T plus Q upon epsilon naught K into A into T. After rearranging it, we will get potential difference equal to q upon epsilon naught into a upon into d minus t plus t upon k. So this is the potential difference. If we put the value from the electric parameters, that is q upon v, we can rearrange it as v equal to q upon c. Now let us put this value in the formula of the potential difference. Here putting v equal to q upon c in equation 1, we will get c equal to epsilon naught into a upon d minus t plus t upon k. So this is the final formula of the capacitance. Now here we can see that this formula, we can see in this formula that it is not dependent on the charge. Capacitance is not dependent on the charge, and all the parameters, for example area, thickness and the distance between the plates, all of them are constant. Therefore our final answer is capacitance will remain constant if we change or double the charge on its plates. Thank you so much.